Yeah. Good morning, children. Good morning to all of you, and welcome to today's class. Yesterday, we done the theoretical part of expenditure method of calculating national income. Today, we will do a few numericals on expenditure method. And if you would see on the screen, I have on my right hand side the methods to calculate investment I. Remember, I said when we have to calculate the national income by expenditure method, we first calculate GDP at market price. Okay, and that consists of C plus I plus G plus X minus N. That was the formula. Now, these are four things which you should copy down, which will help you to identify what should be taken as investment expenditure. Like I, another word for gross domestic capital formation. When in a question NDCF, that is net domestic capital formation, is given, get it to gross, you will add depreciation. So your investment will be NDCF plus depreciation. When in the question NDFCF, net domestic fixed capital formation, is given, depreciation will be added plus change in stock. What is change in stock? Closing stock minus opening. And when gross domestic fixed capital formation is given in the question, you will add to it change in stock in your investment. To make this note in your copybook, notebook, because this is going to be very useful to you, especially when we are doing expenditure method, because most of the problem arises when we have to calculate I investment expenditure. Now, on the left side of the board, I have a question which I have written on the board. Kindly note it down. I'm going to read them. We have items and rupees in crores. What are we supposed to do? We are supposed to calculate the national income using expenditure method. First entry is wages and salary in cash 1000, rent 50, interest 45, undistributed profits 35, corporation tax 25, next income 200, dividend 45, net factor income to abroad minus 20, change in stock 40, private final consumption expenditure 800, gross domestic fixed capital formation 400, government final consumption expenditure 300, subsidies 50, consumption of fixed capital 90, indirect taxes 100. Now, like I said yesterday, we have to calculate the national income. The first step is to calculate GDP at market price. So the first step is GDP at market price, which says C plus I plus G plus X minus M. So the formula given to you. Right? Now this question also, children, we have done for the income method. If you remember, I had given to you on the screen sharing. If you don't have it, you can even refer to that. And in that question was written, calculate national income by income and expenditure method. At that point in time, we have solved it using the income method. That same question we are doing now, solving it by the expenditure method. So the same question we have already done. You can please check that. Now, consumption, private final consumption, all this is a part of the income method, write down here. Okay, now come from here. Private final consumption expenditure, that comes 800 that C plus I. What do we have here? Gross domestic fixed capital formation. Gross domestic fixed capital formation. When you have this given, what will you add to it? The change in stock. So what is the change in gross domestic here will be? Gross domestic 400 plus is change in stock 40. That's it. This formula we use plus government final consumption expenditure 300 plus net exports. Let us check in the question. Is there any net exports or exports minus imports given? Not given. So in that case, we put simply a 0. Work it out. Equals to 8 and 4, 12, 15, 40. That is equal to 15, 40 crores. What is this? This is my GDP at market price. What are we supposed to calculate? National income. National income is NNP at factor cost. What do we have? We have GDP at market price. How do we derive the formula? Simple. From gross to net minus depreciation. Domestic to national plus NFIA. Market price to factor cost minus NIP. So the formula when we are calculating the national income using GDP market price. GDP market price we calculated 1540 minus depreciation. What is another word for depreciation? Consumption of fixed capital. Another word for depreciation. Question is given 90 plus net factor income from abroad. Here we have net factor income to abroad. So it is factor income from abroad minus factor income to abroad minus 20 minus net indirect taxes. Is it given directly? No. How do we find out net indirect taxes? IT and indirect taxes minus subsidies. So 100 is IT minus subsidies 50. Now we get the values. Work it out. 1540 minus 90 minus into minus plus 20 minus. So what do we have over here? 1560 is the plus and minus is 140. 1420. 1420 crores. Is it clear, children? Any problem? I am repeating once again from the information given from the question, and I'm saying this question we have done earlier using the income method. So you can check out the entries also. And first thing that we do in expenditure method is find GDP and market price. And the formula told you yesterday was C plus I plus G plus X minus M, that is net exports. C consumption, private final consumption expenditure. I investment. I've drawn that small table there for you for your benefit. It will help you learn it by heart so that there will be absolutely no problem while calculating investment expenditure. When this question, gross domestic fixed capital formation is given. When this is given, what would we add on? Change in stock. What is change in stock? Closing stock minus opening stock. Sometimes you will get it directly in the question, change in stock. Then you have to calculate the change in stock. Now, here gross domestic is 400 given in the question, plus change in stock. Change in stock is given directly, change in stock 40. So these two are added for I. Is that clear? Government is given 300. Net exports, exports minus imports. Nowhere are we given exports, no imports, no net exports. So we use the 0. Fill in for this formula. Adding them up, 12, 15, 40, 40 crores, get your GDP at market price. Question asks you to calculate the national income. National income and factor cost. What do we have? GDP at market price. Very simple to derive the formula. From gross to net minus depreciation. Domestic to national plus net factor income of abroad and market price to factor cost minus NIG. Substitute the value B. B here is consumption of fixed capital. This is another word for depreciation. I've already told you. Plus and minus the matter becomes plus. This becomes minus 50. The pluses are added 50, 40, and 20 minus 40. Get 15. Any problem? Any of you can speak up? Put your mic on and speak. Anyone?
No, sir.
Good, thank you. Please copy this down and make a sure note of this in your copy. Children, this is going to help you immensely. Next question, children, copy down this which is on your screen. Calculate national income by expenditure method. Meanwhile, I will wipe out the board. The question reads, calculate national income by the expenditure method. Private final consumption expenditure 1000, government final expenditure 600, net domestic capital formation 450, change in stock 50, depreciation 100, exports 150, imports 170, net factor income from abroad minus 40, indirect taxes 100, subsidies 75, operating surplus 200, sales 150. Have you got this question? Right. Now, first thing that we do is to find out, like I said, GDP, market price, C plus I plus G plus X minus M. Okay. Private final consumption expenditure is given as 1000 plus What we have? Net domestic capital formation. Net domestic capital formation. Net domestic capital formation. We have to add depreciation. So net domestic capital formation is 450 plus depreciation here is given as 100. These two will form your investment expenditure. Plus government is given 600 plus exports minus imports. Exports is given as 150 minus 170. This is your values given. Calculate 1000 plus 550 plus 600 plus 2 plus minus 20. Okay. 16 for 20. 2150 minus 20 is 2130. 130 is 130 crores is your GDP at market price. What has he asked you to calculate? National income, NNP at factor cost from GDP market price minus depreciation plus net factor income from abroad minus NIP. How you would get it? GDP market price 2130 minus depreciation is 100 plus net factor income from abroad is given as minus 40 minus net indirect taxes. Net indirect taxes is IT minus subsidies. IT is given as direct taxes is 100 minus subsidies is 75. That is 2130 minus 100 plus into minus 40 minus 25. Okay, so you have 165 minus 130 plus 10 5 12 6 10 minus 1 9 1. That is 1965 crores. Is it clear, children? Anyone having problem in following? Is there anyone having a problem in following? Is it not clear? Concepts, the method? You may please speak up, any of you. Is it all right? All right, all of you? I hope you are understanding. Yes, okay, good. Now, copy the next question. I'm sharing on screen. Kindly copy this quickly while I work on the board. I'll read out. Private final consumption expenditure 1200, government final consumption expenditure 600, net domestic fixed capital formation 800, net addition to stock 100, gross domestic fixed capital um, formation 800, net addition to stock 100, gross domestic fixed capital formation 850, net imports 40, net factor income from abroad minus 20, net indirect taxes 150, intermediate consumption 200. Okay. Have you copied this down? Yeah. Now, the first thing is GDP market price. P plus I plus G plus X minus. Yeah, private final consumption given as 1200 plus investment. What will be the investment? Gross domestic fixed capital formation plus change in stock. The gross domestic fixed capital formation is given as 850 plus change in stock is given as net addition to stock. Word used net addition to stock, that is 100 plus government expenditure is given as 600 plus exports minus imports given as, where are we? Exports minus imports, net imports, exports nothing minus imports 40. That is given 1200 plus 950 plus 600 plus into minus 40. That totals up 12 and 2150 will give you 710 crores. Okay. Now what does he ask you to find out? Net. Calculate domestic income. What is domestic income? NDP at factor cost. NDP at factor cost is domestic income. We have GDP at market price. Gross to net minus depreciation. The rest market to factor cost minus MIP. 2710. Now depreciation. Now if you see children, nowhere in the question depreciation is given in the form of either depreciation or consumption of fixed capital. So what would you do? You have two entries in your question. That is gross domestic fixed capital formation and net domestic fixed capital formation. So from gross you minus net, what you get? Depreciation, right? So these two values will be written over here. So we put over here depreciation equal to gross domestic fixed capital formation minus net domestic fixed capital formation. And gross is given as 850. Net is given as 800. So your depreciation is equal to 50. That's the value I will use here. Minus net indirect taxes in the question is given as 150. That is equal to 510 Any problem, children? Any problem you are facing? Kindly ask. If not, then we shall move on and continue more numericals. The time is running out. I will stop today till here, continue tomorrow. More numerical, excuse me, more numerical problems.